Okay, our next investigation with this vertical shift is this function. F of x is negative cosine of x minus 5. So we have subtracted a value outside the primary function. Subtract is a vertical shift downward. So let's do the same procedure as before. Any shifting we're going to account for first. And in this case, we shift down 5. There is no horizontal shift because we are not adding or subtracting inside this argument, inside this primary function. Now we proceed as before. The amplitude is the absolute value of negative 1, which is 1. All right. The shape, what's the shape? The shape is negative cosine. And the interval, well, the argument is just x by itself. And so the interval is the standard interval. So let's see if we can make this happen. 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5. We've shifted down 5 units. So the node line, the axis, is no longer the x-axis. The nodes are going to fall on that line at negative 5. The amplitude is 1, so that goes up to negative 4 and down to negative 6. So the top of this picture is going to be at negative 4. The bottom is going to be at negative 6. And now we need to know what we're doing horizontally. Well, the interval goes from 0 to 2 pi. Well, here, let's get this roughly correct here. There's 3, so there's pi. There's 2 pi. And so we're going from 0 to 2 pi. That's the left side of the box. And that's the right side of the box. So in this box, we need to make that shape occur. And this should now be in our comfort zone. This is pi over 2, 3 pi over 2. Node, peak, node, trough. And that's the sketch of the graph.